This is the Nervi Conterno Gattinara. This is the third vintage that Roberto Conterno and his family have taken over the ownership of this estate. The Nervi estate was the first and oldest estate in Gattinara. So this is the Alto Piemonte. This is the land between Barolo Barbaresco and the Alps, somewhere about an hour or so to the north, a little bit cooler, definitely more exposed, and a longer ripening time. And a lot of people from Barolo are seeing the huge potential here and starting to invest. And Roberto was a consultant for this wine for about 10, 11 years after a friend of his had purchased it. And when the partnership dissolved, he decided to take over ownership. And this is something for his sons, Niccolò and Gabriele, to take over into the future. So this is Gattinara, made by someone that has one of the greatest histories in Barolo. And the Conterno family is in Monforte, and they make the famous Monfortino. And Monforte is the southeastern part of Barolo that is probably known for the biggest, strongest, and longest maturing Barolo. And the first Monfortino was made in 1924, so almost 100 years ago, by his grandfather. So we're now third generation. His father took over and with his brother, and one of the brothers, Aldo, split away and created another estate. So they already have two really famous estates from this family, and this is bound to be the third. This is Gattinara with guts. 2014 was the first vintage. This is the 2016, and they own two single vineyards there called Mosino and Valfarana, that they make cru wines from, as well as this, which is the younger vines and a second selection from those. So perhaps, you don't always put Gattinara after Barolo, but this one certainly falls suit. It has the power and the structure, but with very traditional Conterno elegance to go along with it. So enjoy.